Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Amish meatballs in onion gravy. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large bowl and I have roughly 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Now I have a large onion I diced up. I'm going to throw about half of that into our ground beef meatball mixture. We're going to save the rest of it for our onion gravy. Now I'm going to crack in 1 egg. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt. I'm just eyeballing everything, guys. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of onion powder. A teaspoon of granulated garlic. You can also use garlic powder. And I'm going to put in roughly about a teaspoon of pepper. Alright, now I'm going to add in some Italian seasoned breadcrumb. I'm going to go for roughly about 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to get in here and get this all mixed up, guys. Okay, now that I have my ground beef all mixed up, I have a hot pan here warming up. I'm going to make some healthy size meatballs here. Not the size of a golf ball on steroids. And I'm going to get them in here and I'm going to brown them up. We're going to do these in batches. It's probably going to take about 2 batches. So once I get my meatballs in here and get them all browned up, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, now that my meatballs are all brown, I pulled them out and drained off the excess grease. I'm going to take the other half of that onion, get it in my pan, and just let it saute in there for a couple of seconds. Just to get a little bit of brown on it. And I'll just keep you guys on camera while I do this quick. Dexter, I'm recording out here. Are you singing, Dexter? Huh? He's been going crazy here, guys, while the camera's been off. Alright, now I'm going to add in a little more salt, part of my reach. Just about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add in 4 cups of beef broth. Let me turn my heat up a little bit, guys, to get this up to a simmer. Alright. Now I'm going to take my meatballs and I'm going to place them back in the pan. Now these aren't cooked through, guys, they're just browned. This is where we're going to cook them through. Just want to get them all down in there. And I probably could have fried these in one batch if I wanted to crowd the pan, but I wanted room to be able to turn them over. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put a cover on this and I'm going to simmer these in here for about 10 to 15 minutes. That'll give our meatballs a chance to cook through. So I'm going to go ahead and cover them and get them simmering. Alright guys, I left this simmer for 10 minutes. I took the cover off. Now I have a cornstarch slurry here I'm going to stir in here. That's going to thicken our gravy up. And this is 3 teaspoons of cornstarch and about 3 teaspoons of water. Now I'm going to turn this up to a gentle simmer and let it go for a few minutes. Our meatballs are pretty well cooked through. This will just help thicken up our gravy, guys. Alright guys, my gravy's nice and thickened up. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some mashed potatoes and some green beans to go with this. Get in here and give these meatballs a try. As you can see, they're cooked through. They're going to be nice and moist because they cooked in that broth and in gravy. It's really good, guys. Well seasoned. Now I'll take a taste of the mashed potatoes. Get some of the gravy there, guys. That's really good, guys. That almost tastes like a roast beef gravy. Let me put that spoon down before I eat all this in front of you. Alright, there you have it, guys. Amish meatballs and onion gravy. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.